Hey everybody, TheYo-KaiGuy here. Welcome back to another unboxing video of Yokai Watch 7, Arc 7 K. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry if I butchered it wrong. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you want to, subscribe, as I upload new videos regularly, and I really appreciate you guys doing so. It also shows me that you guys want me to do more videos like these for you. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so let's take a look at this one. I like the box art on these, and as you can tell, I've already opened this one. Sorry guys. But yeah, you still get to see me open these. So let's take a look. Huh, that's so weird. Kind of yokai. Let's take a look at the back. Again, I have no idea who this guy is. So yeah, this is the 7th edition, and this is straight out of Japan. Well, that's nice. Cool. On to the next one. Ooh, that's nice. Alright, another Nyan character. Alright, Mermaiden. I'm really appreciating the art on the back. It's really pretty. Very beautiful. I don't know who this is. Oh, that's nice. Very nice artwork. And I almost dropped it. Oh. It's about to fall over. I ordered a couple more packs in, so I want to see if I can get some good ones. Who is this? Is that Lord Emma? Huh. I don't know. I'll have to take a closer look at him. But I think that might be Lord Emma. Oh, no sirs. Yeah, I really appreciate the art on the back here. It's really nice. They did a really good job with these. Whoa, that's the legendary! Awesome! Sweet, I was not expecting that. And I hear the legendaries for these are even harder to find. Damn, that's sick. I don't know who this guy is. I keep forgetting his name. It's on the tip of my tongue. But, man, a legendary coin. That is sick. That looks awesome. Alright, that totally makes up for the whole pack here. For everything else. If it's all just... No way! What? Emma? So I got the legendary and Emma in the same box. Guys, I am not making this up. I can't make this up. I really just got Lord Emma and the legendary all in one box. I swear, if if I get another legendary, I'm gonna flip. I mean, seriously, dude, this is awesome. Like, I'm having such awesome finds at the last bit, and that's the end of the box. So, let's take a look. Happy Air. Okay, a good one to go out on. But yeah, Happy Air definitely makes me happy that I got both Lord Emma and I don't know who it is. I still don't know. And I think the other guy here is Lord Emma's assistant. Oh no, that's not him. that's Nyan, or Jibanyan's form. Another Jibanyan thing. Yeah, this guy. But yeah, that is awesome. Can't believe I actually found them like that. Especially with Lord Emma and the legendary back to back. That is awesome. That is sick. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, let's take a look at some of the stuff that we get from this pack. Not bad. That's not bad. Alright. Moving on. I'm really anxious to see what the Lord Emma medal gets me. I know you guys can't probably see that, so I'll just keep doing the common ones and I'll tell you which ones I'm gonna get. Alright. Moving on, let's go with No Sirs, and let's see what that gets me. And I just knocked over the box. Wonderful. Oh, can't read it. Not bad, not bad. I'm just gonna pick up everything and put it back in there. Yeah. Happy Air. Let's see what he gets me. Nice. Now, let's see what this Jibanyan medal or similar Jibanyan medal gets me. Oh, nice, a 1-star coin. That's pretty good. And a 5-star room key. Ooh, awesome. Let's try with the second purple medal. Sweet. Oh, nice, another one. I think if you get all 4 medals, you get a special reward. This is the Lord Emma medal. Let's see what it gets me. Oh, 5-star! Awesome! I'm telling you, man, this stuff is like... I just had the best luck with this thing. Like, seriously, the best luck. Like, getting Emma and the legendary yokai back to back? Seriously, that can't get any better than that. Sweet. Alright. Once again, if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you want to, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.